everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the remaining month of November reading. This is going to be for the sign of Gemini. The readings start from the 22nd through the 30th of November 2020. So let's find out what is heading towards the Geminis for the remaining month's time. I will be adding oracle cards, I will be adding charms as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for this remaining month time starting today, 22nd through 30th of November. Geminis. Let's begin. The World, Two of Cups. Something is definitely changing for you. An ending of a cycle and a new beginning is definitely coming for you. The cycle could be different for different people. Maybe for some of you, you just ended being single and then you are getting married. For others of you, maybe you ended being married and now you're getting single. For others of you, maybe you are signing a contract of some kind, marriage contract, business contract, or something around those lines. But something good is definitely starting for you. Even if your marriage is ending, even if some relationship is ending, it's going to be good for you in the long term. Let's see more cards here. Ten of Pentacles, but I feel like it's the opposite. I do see you getting married or some sort of love and commitment is definitely coming for you during this time. Let's see more cards here. Wow. Wow, beautiful energies, Gemini. Underneath the deck, we do have the Eight of Pentacles. I feel like, your hard work is definitely paying you off now. It's like something that you have been working towards. There has been, times in the past which made you feel like maybe it's not going to work out in a love life department. And then maybe for some of you, maybe you have been single for quite some time and you felt like, maybe you're going to stay single all your life. But that phase of your life is now ending. Now I do see somebody is entering in your life, which is going to be like taking the connection, taking your life to the next level. It's I feel like maybe you have been single for quite some time already, and it seems a love offer is definitely coming your way. A love offer that you have been waiting for, not from a specific someone. It's just that you wanted that kind of relationship in your life. You wanted that kind of you are doing good for yourself when it comes to your life otherwise, but when it comes to your love life, I feel like some beautiful changes are happening there in your love life now. And I feel like you have earned this. It's something that I feel like for some reasons I'm picking up the vibe that you have restricted or yourself from getting into any low kind of relationship where you were just you would be just friends with benefits or even less than that. So I feel like you have pulled yourself away from any shitty relationship that you might have gotten yourself into earlier, and you chose to stay single until and unless it's worthy of your time and energy. And I feel like somebody who is worthy of your love, care is definitely entering in your life, and then it's all going to change. Your life is going to change. And hold on. This person, whoever it is, could be coming from a distance towards you as well. Maybe they are living at a distance from you, maybe they are a traveler or something. But I do see that there is like some sort of distance involved in the situation. Maybe you are going to get a proposal coming from from a friend of yours who lives at a distance from you, and maybe they're gonna say like, I know a guy who is like this and that. Maybe that's gonna be like the story. But I do see that maybe the person that you are going to get connected with during the remaining month time, maybe this person is somebody who is living at a distance from you now, and maybe there is a person who is basically hooking you up with them. That's what I'm picking up very strongly here. It doesn't have to be a friend, it can be a colleague as well, maybe it can be a family member as well. But I do see that somebody is going to help you to get to know each other. um but I do see some positive changes coming up for you for your love life in the remaining month time. There is a lot of growth in your life overall. Maybe it's just like when you start talking to a new person, there is a different kind of vibe. I do see that coming for you as well. Let's pull some more cards here. Let's see what else can we get for Geminis for the remaining month time. I feel like you might start talking to this person on online first before you could meet this person, um, and then maybe they are going to travel towards you. Um, if you're feeling low about your love life right now, and if you have been single for quite some time right now, don't think negative. Don't feel like maybe I will never get the one. You are getting the one. That's one person is definitely entering in your life. All you need to do is stand strong and don't settle in for less. Whoever it is that whatever type that you desire, that person is definitely going to enter in your life. And I feel like it's somebody new. I don't think that it is somebody from the past, but let's reconfirm that. Even though it's a general reading, we cannot confirm it as such, but yes, let's see what is the most what are the chances, like is it going to be somebody new or somebody from the past? Let's see. Somebody new. Somebody, I feel like maybe for some reasons I feel like maybe you have been trying to manifest someone. It could be that one person if it is a specific someone, or if it is not, and if you have been single for quite some time, for some of you, you might be manifesting a reconciliation with someone. For others of you, you might be manifesting a new life partner for you, and if that's you, trust me, you are getting exactly how you were working towards it. Like I said, I don't I do see you working towards it. I do see you putting your effort into having this one person enter in your life, and you stood strong throughout this time. You never gave up on this connection, on this thought that yes, you deserve somebody loving you. You don't have to settle in for less, and that's what is going to bring you what you have been praying and asking and wishing for. I do see you getting justice in this situation. I do see that you are definitely going to meet your soulmate here with the high priest and the high priestess. It seems like you are going to be definitely very spiritual. You both are going to be a spiritual persons, and for some reasons maybe your vibe during this time is also going to be a different you, like it's going to make you feel like happy, and you are going to be in the happy zone during the remaining month time. And it's just because you could sense that somebody beautiful, somebody handsome is entering in your love life. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Career transition. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. For some of you, you might be going for a career change as well. Maybe for some of you, maybe you are going to meet this person through your work as well, if you are changing your career or if you are changing your job or something around those lines, which could be bringing you a lot of blessed changes in your life. For some of you, maybe traveling because of your work change as well, or maybe your person is traveling towards you because they are changing their job, and maybe you are already communicating with them. For some of you, like I mentioned earlier, maybe this is a colleague or something. So maybe somebody referred someone towards you. So maybe you do have a vacancy in your office or something along those lines. That could be the case for some of you as well. Adjustments are required in reversed. So I would read it in reverse. There's no adjustment required in the current situation. You really have to go with what you believe in, and that's how you will get what you want. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. So we do have alphabets Y, C, D, I, H, and B. So these are the alphabets that we have: I, D, Y, C, H, B, and these could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with as well. I love you to the moon and back. There's a strong bond that you're gonna have with this one person. I feel like for majority of you, this person is somebody that you don't know. But yes, if you are manifesting somebody from the past, then yes, this could be the one. Maybe they are somebody who's to focus on their career as well, or maybe they are having some sort of change in their career, and that's why they are going to come forward and they are going to pursue their love life before they could travel. That could be the case for some of you as well. Maybe they you or your person might have to travel, and before you could do that, maybe you are planning to get married before you do that. So that could be the case for some of you as well. I feel like I do see you very strong here. I do see that there is some sort of sense of protection along with whatever that is happening in your life right now. So even if you have been single, it's a blessing for you. Even if you are like I said in the in the very beginning, if you are ending a cycle with a specific someone, that too is a blessing for you. You might not see the good things in that, but it is good for you. Eventually it's going to bring you something good in your life. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.